Hey guys, happy Christmas Eve. Hope you're all doing well. I'm not on BLM land, obviously, right now. I'm urban boondocking right now, which is sometimes it's even better. I'm at the end of the little driveway parking spot here. There's a Jack in the Box across the street. Got my solar out. And I park like this all the time, especially when people tell me I get to a place and, oh, you're not going to find a place to park overnight. No. I just, usually what I do is I just start looking around and say, hey, the corner of that lot right there will work. I'll just back up into it, and when the sun goes down, nobody will even notice I'm here. I started the riveting job today. Set up the camera, had the tripod out, the microphone, put in my first rivet, and broke this thing. I broke it. I was torquing it the wrong way, and a spring came flying out right next to me. I could hear it go past my ear. Parts were flying everywhere. I don't even know where the spring is, but totally busted the rivet tool. But on the plus side, I did get a rivet in, right there. It's in and it's flush. So I'm confident that I can repair this. Realistically, I probably have a major issue with like the stud on the corner inside, either dry rotted or snapped or something. So watch out for snakes. That's my guard snake. It's a hardware store about 6 miles away from where I'm at right now in Yuma, so I'm gonna go stop by, get another rivet tool, and I'll just film it right there in the parking lot, I guess. And it'll be my last Walmart stop for over 200 miles. I will not see another Walmart for over 200 miles. So, gonna pick up some Christmas Day grubbins to cook, and then, yeah, and chillax. Jax, how you doing? You're locked on those birds, aren't you? With those birds out there? Yeah. I guess the moral of the story is don't buy cheap. I went and bought a heavy-duty Stanley version instead, so. Where's my... Before this morning, it's been a while since I've actually used one of these riveting tools, but if you're not familiar with them, I was just going to try to explain it a little bit. Basically, it creates a flush, it pulls it, so you put this into it, and basically what it's doing is it expands inside and forces the two to basically a join. That's basically what it's doing. I can't use the old holes since this whole thing is shifted, so I actually have to drill holes. So you drill the holes that are the same, so that that'll fit in there. Then load up your riveter like that. Put the bigger end in there. There you go. Beautimous. No, my RV's falling apart. I went and bought a riveter and I'm going to try to refix it. It was like on the road, kicking back, the whole thing just shifted.
I know exactly what you're talking about.
I think I broke a stud. I think I dry rotted, and so this just kind of collapsed down. But the noise on the freeway, it's click, 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 click,
I
click,
know. The first one I bought was a squeaker around the top.
Oh yeah.
I thought you might be locked out.
So you're good to go.
I had
Thank
the
you for
master
asking.
keys, so.
Thank you. Fortunately, I have not gotten locked out of this beast yet.
I know.
Cheap
It depends
construction.
on what you buy.
It probably
Toyota's
does.
not a bad product. I mean, what year is this?
This is an 83. This is an old RV.
No, that's
One of the older ones on the road.
It's a Ford.
Yeah.
Ford
It is.
and chassis, so they last as long as a truck.
I think so. Yeah.
Well, good luck.
Hey, thank you. Have a good day.
I hope it quits squeaking on you.
Thank you. Okay, well, my drill's out of juice. So, nothing I can do except charge it up today and try this again tomorrow, I guess. But made a lot of progress. Lots of progress. I'm actually going to stay in the area here at this Home Depot overnight. Why not, right? Interesting van parked right next to me. But yeah, this is a good place to camp for the night and charge my drill. Okay, I'm going to go on a bike ride here in a little bit because I want to explore the area around the RV. But I'm going to hook up my camera to the bike in a new place because I've been thinking about this a lot lately. Basically, everybody puts the GoPro on the handlebars and the handlebars shake, and every single time you adjust the play so that you can go straight, but you're constantly turning the handlebars, the camera jerks every single time you do that. And it just never made sense to me to have that concept working that way. In other words, in order to keep the bike going straight, the handlebar is always turning. So why mount something right here when you're actually going straight? It needs to be mounted right here because the frame will be more smooth. So I don't know if you can see how I mounted it right here. I had to use 3 adapters to get it far enough out so that it cleared this. And so, yeah. I have to put the GoPro in the protective case, which will basically make all of the audio unusable. But, you know, I'll just put a soundtrack to it or something and get some exercise. Oh wait, I forgot, I got my monopod too. Okay, actually, first I'm going to go on a bike ride and use the monopod. And then I'll do a second bike ride with it attached to where the mount is, yeah. All right, guys. Hope you have a great Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to y'all from Eric and Jax. Stay free and unplugged. Talk to you later. Hey guys, Jax here, along with his human servant Eric. Thanks for watching our RV channel. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up below. Don't forget to watch all of our other videos. We got some great material out there. Subscribe to our channel so you can get the latest updates here on the road. Can you say hi? Talk to you guys later.